Hello friends, you all are welcome in my new video. As you all know very well that these days I'm just counseling people that how they can come out from depression. And as you all very well know that I have created 3 videos on depression. In first video I just told about I told the importance of going in park, and in my second video I have advised that what is the importance of changing environment if you're suffering from depression. And in my third video I have just explained properly about proper diet, that it is very important. And in my fourth video today I'm going to tell regarding depression that you need to be very careful about your friends. So most of the time it happens that I want to tell you one thing, that friends are very important for your life. If you are living your life, my dear friends, it's very important that you should have some friends. If you don't have so many friends, at least you should have 2 friends that you can share your problems. When you are much worried, when you are having any kind of problem, at least you can disclose your hearts in front of him or her. And if you are having any kind of doubt, you can just consult regarding each and everything without any worry, without any problem, without any hesitation. But what I have to tell regarding all those things, that you have to always take care. You must be knowing, there is a very famous saying, guys, that it is better to be alone than a bad company. Why I'm going to tell today this secret, and why I just chose this saying. Most of the time it happens that, and I have seen that, if you are suffering or if anybody is suffering from depression, and in which friend circle he lives, most of the time it happens that the people of that surrounding always influences live a very proper life. And most of the time I have also seen that they say very negative things. My dear friends, it is better to be alone than a bad company. What I want to exactly tell, leave your friends if you are in problem, if you are in depression, and if they say any kind of negative things related to your what we call treatment or related to your depression problem. My dear friends, I just want to exactly tell you, depression is the problem in which you are day by day you are going in the phase of negativity. It will keep happening with you. You have to be very careful that it is not you. I was reading one book, Master Your Emotions. So I found that we are totally different and our emotions are totally different. So whenever your thoughts are just disturbing you, so you need to be very calm. You need to just go in your brain and you need to think that you are not your thoughts. Your thoughts are different things. You are different. You need to, and as the thoughts have come, in the same way it will go away. You must have seen so many thoughts come in your brain, and after sometimes it's all those thoughts go away. So it is not for each and every time, it is for sometimes. And if you are depressed, 99% chances are there that you are always living in negativity. You are not liking your life. And in that condition, if you are living with your friends, it may, or in this treatment, or if you are suffering from depression, and in this time if you are living with that friend who always says negative things to you, so you are just going to just disturb your life a lot. There will be no any kind of benefit, and you will be keep disturbing regularly your life. So you need to be very careful living. See, basically, when you are depressed, when you are stressed, when you are anxious, in that condition, when you are living with negative friend, it's totally like you are suffering from cold, you are coughing a lot, and you are taking cold drink, ice cream. It is totally like this. So when you know that you are stressed, so always keep yourself away from negative people. I'm not saying all these things just for the friends. I just want to tell it from everyone. Most of the time it happens that people say so many negative words to us. So we don't have to react a lot. We don't have to worry a lot for each and everything. We have to just think in ourselves that people are totally different. Each and everybody has their own opinion. You have to know actually I want to disclose one thing in front of you all, that we are 3 brothers. But it is very possible, and it happens most of the time, that my thought is different, my brother's thought is different, and my totally youngest brother, my third brother's thought is different. So it is very possible. It happens. Basically, what I wanted to tell, if there are 3 kids three children or three brothers, those who have taken birth from the same mother, those who are the sons of the same father, still their thoughts are not similar. So how can you think that those who are from different backgrounds, those who are not, your relatives, how they will be always thinking like you? So you need to always think about yourself. You need to always think about, in your favor, and you need to be very positive for yourself. I know, my dear friends, that if you are suffering from depression, it is very impossible to think positive. And so if your negative thoughts are just triggering you, so just say to your thoughts, just say to yourselves, just say to your heart that it is not you. My dear friends, again I am repeating, it is not you, it is your thought. It is not you, it is your thought. And there is very big difference between your thought and you. Most of the time we feel, sometimes it happens that you are coughing, but you feel like to take some cold things, like you feel like boiled rice, you feel like to take, I can say that, cold drinks, sometimes ice creams. But do we take it? Most of the time we deny. And if you are kid, that is the different thing. But most of the time you deny it. Why? You don't listen to your brain, you don't listen to your heart. Sorry, you don't listen to your, I can say that, desire. You don't listen to your heart. You always bring the differences that what should be done, and you work according to that. You work according to the need of your body. In this big problem, in this big mental disorder, you need to think about yourself. You need to think for yourself. I request you guys, don't think for others each and every time. Thinking for yourself is also a big help. So always be very careful for yourselves. Be very kind with yourselves. Then only you can live very happy life. And at last, I just want to tell again that make good friends, make positive friends. And if your friends can't motivate you, that is fine. But if your friend is demotivating you, just leave that friendship. Just go away from that, friend circle. It is better to be alone than a bad company. I don't know who has written this line, but it is the very influencing line to understand. It should be understood by each and every individual of the world. And at last, I just want to tell, if you are having any kind of doubt, any kind of problem, if you need any personal counseling, my number is given. You can just call me and you can take appointment and you can just take good advice. As much as possibilities will be there, I will try to solve your all the problems. I will to give you a very proper and authentic, I can say that, advice. Thank you very much, guys. All the best. Winners, be happy. Take care of yourselves. Try to stay happy.